Installing bow windows is a beautiful way to transform your Miami Beach home. Their sweeping curved design, panoramic views, and abundant natural light make them an eye-catching upgrade for any coastal property. However, because Miami Beach has one of the most challenging climates in the country, high humidity, intense sunlight, coastal salt exposure, and storm-related risks, bow window installation isn't a job for just anyone. Local expertise matters, and choosing an installer familiar with Miami Beach's unique environment can make all the difference in long-term performance, durability, and home comfort. Here's why Miami Beach homeowners should rely on local professionals when upgrading to bow windows. Understanding Miami Beach's coastal climate and weather risks. Miami Beach's tropical climate brings year-round humidity, strong UV exposure, and frequent storms. These conditions can lead to warping, seal failure, and salt damage if bow windows are not installed correctly. Local installers understand how coastal moisture affects window frames, which sealants and materials hold up best in humid environments, how to prevent water intrusion during heavy rainfall, wind load requirements specific to Miami Beach homes. This climate knowledge helps protect your investment and ensures your bow windows perform well despite harsh conditions. Familiarity with hurricane building codes and impact requirements. Miami Beach has strict building codes, especially when it comes to windows. Bow windows must meet hurricane impact standards and be installed in a way that ensures they're secure during violent weather. Local experts know Miami-Dade impact resistance requirements, how to anchor bow windows to withstand high winds, the correct glazing options for storm-prone areas, proper reinforcement techniques for curved window structures. This level of precision is critical for keeping your home safe and up to code, something an out-of-town contractor may overlook. The right materials for coastal durability. Salt air can be particularly tough on window materials. Non-coastal installers may suggest materials that look nice initially but won't stand up to Miami Beach's environment. Local professionals recommend materials such as fiberglass frames that resist corrosion and swelling, vinyl frames with UV-resistant coatings, impact-resistant laminated glass, specialized hardware designed for salt exposure. They know which products have proven durability in seaside neighborhoods, and which ones tend to fail prematurely. Precision installation to prevent moisture and air leakage. Bow windows require expert craftsmanship because their curved design must be perfectly aligned to ensure an airtight and watertight fit. In humid climates, even a small gap can lead to mold, mildew, and rising energy costs. Local installers bring accurate measurements tailored to Florida-style openings, proper drainage strategies for coastal moisture techniques to prevent air leaks in high humidity, knowledge of how heat expansion affects installation. This ensures your bow windows remain sealed, efficient, and long-lasting. Aesthetic expertise for Miami Beach architectural styles. Miami Beach homes range from Art Deco classics to modern waterfront retreats. Local installers understand these architectural details and can help select bow window designs that complement your home's character. They help homeowners choose frame colors and finishes that fit coastal aesthetics, glass tints that reduce glare while maintaining style, bow window shapes that enhance curb appeal, trim and design details that match Miami Beach charm. This ensures your new windows elevate your home's exterior while blending beautifully with local design trends. Reliable service, ongoing support, and faster response times. When you hire a local Miami Beach expert, you gain long-term support, not a one-and-done installation. Coastal environments sometimes require follow-up adjustments, and only a nearby company can offer fast, dependable service when needed. Local specialists provide quick service calls, warranty support, knowledgeable maintenance recommendations, personalized customer care. This peace of mind is invaluable for homeowners living in a climate as dynamic as Miami Beach. A smart choice for lasting performance and coastal beauty. Bow windows add elegance and natural light to any home, but installing them in a coastal environment requires skill, expertise, and a deep understanding of Miami Beach's unique challenges. By choosing a local bow window specialist, you ensure your windows are installed correctly, built to withstand coastal weather, and designed to complement your home's beautiful Florida style. For long-lasting performance and stunning results, trust the local professionals who understand Miami Beach homes best.